Are you ready to unlock the ultimate control over your Windows 10? Today we are diving into a secret that many users don't know: activating GodMode. This hidden feature gives you access to all of Windows 10's settings in one place. Stay tuned to master your system like never before. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. It's Sujit. In this video, we are uncovering one of Windows 10's best kept secrets: GodMode. Whether you are a power user or just love exploring hidden features, this guide is for you. Let's get started. GodMode is not as obvious as it sounds. It's a special folder that gives you access to over 200 settings and control options, from administrative tools to backup and security options, all in one place. Let's unlock GodMode together. Follow these simple steps. First, right-click on your desktop. Hover over New. Select Folder. Now, name the folder with this specific code. Don't worry, you will find the code in the description of this video. Once you press enter, the folder icon resembles the control panel. Congratulations, you have just activated GodMode. Now let's take a quick tour. Inside you will find every control option available in Windows 10. It's a powerful tool to manage your PC and customize user experience, and also troubleshooting. While GodMode can make managing your PC easier, always ensure you understand a setting before changing it. And remember, this is a feature best used by those familiar with Windows settings. There you have it, the mystical GodMode unlocked in your Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.